Chapter 15 focuses on human resources. Here are the objectives. I encourage you to look for the answers to these learning objectives as we move through the presentations. Section 1 is on human resource management, bringing business to life. Here is the definition of human resource management. In any organization, a quality workforce can help the company stay ahead of the competition. The foremost objective of HR management is to receive the highest human investment by recruiting talent, promoting career development, and bolstering the organization's effectiveness. Let's look at some of the major hurdles of human resource management. The task of building a quality workforce is a tough one, and it is a major challenge faced by managers. There is no particular strategy to achieve this task, but forward-thinking firms adopt new approaches to accomplish it. One of these challenges is outsourcing. The number of outsourced American jobs continue to grow, and this provides businesses with lower costs and access to a global talent pool. So that is one of the challenges that we are facing. The wage gap. The average CEO at America's top 350 firms earn 320 times what the average employee earns. Harvard Business Review suggests that performance-based pay can actually have dangerous outcomes for companies. Those are two challenges that human resources face. The older workers, beginning in 2011 and continuing through 2030, every day more than 10,000 baby boomers reach the age of 65. Some companies are trying to retain their best employees by offering them flexible schedules, training opportunities, and also creative pay schedules. The younger workers often bring optimism, open minds, technological know-how, a team orientation, the ability to multitask, and multicultural perspective. Also, younger workers may have a sense of entitlement and high expectations about a job. Passing on high levels of institutional knowledge and experience can be accomplished through organizing intergenerational mentoring relationships, having some of the older workers and younger workers work together, and working with younger team members to develop a clear career development path, proactively identifying leadership potential in employees, and communicating respectfully and consistently. Women to continue to face challenges to equity in pay and promotions, implementing retention plans for valued workers, and proactive steps to reintegrate return workers to the workforce are some suggestions here. And then work-life balance. With tech capabilities that keep workers connected to the office, work-life balance is becoming what some called a work-life blend. Worker flexibility is a significant issue and one not all managers embrace. In addition to the challenges of managing human resources, concerns of women workers, and finding a healthy work-life balance, HR must avoid employee lawsuits by knowing the law. So, human resource managers, are they the corporate black sheep? One of the major problems faced by HR managers is that they lack sufficient strategic skills. Because of this, employees perceive their HR manager as an enemy. However, HR managers can gain the respect of other employees by knowing about the company and being open to exceptions as long as they enforce broad company policies. So let's look at human resource planning and drawing the map. The main objective of the job analysis is to examine what's to be done in each position so that the effectiveness of the organization can be maximized.